name is Matthew from CIB Partners. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the brand new DCD709L2T. Let's jump right in. Opening up the box, you are met with a instruction manual. The ultra compact and lightweight DCD709. Two 18-volt 3 amp hour batteries. A multi-volt charger that can charge from 10.8 volt right to 18-volt batteries. Not forgetting a belt. Allow me now to take you through the features and specifications of this machine.
The DCD709 has a brushless 18-volt motor. This motor produces 65 Nm of torque. This is more than enough power needed to complete light to medium duty applications. Married to the 18-volt brushless motor is a 2-speed gearbox, with gear 1 giving you 0 to 450 revolutions per minute, and gear 2 giving you 0 to 28,050 revolutions per minute. Use the mode selection collar to adjust your torque. The lower your number, the lower your torque. The higher your number, the higher your torque. Select drill mode for applications that don't require hammer function. Select hammer mode for applications that require hammer function. Completing the motor assembly is a full metal 13mm chuck that can take from 1.5mm drill bits right up to a 13mm drill bit. Located above the switch is a forward and reverse button. Use the variable speed trigger for your preferred drilling speed. Located at the base of the machine is a LED work light, improving visibility when working in dark spaces.
Thank you for watching. See you again next time.